In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities, yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the Gold Garden EA V2.1 MT4 on my account for months. And zounds, it's cultivated my trades with plus 1,317.43% gains with the panache of a parodic golden gardener harvesting pips. Telegram Tattler trumpeted it as the gold EA that turns XAUUSD plots into prosperous yields. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Gold Garden EA V2.1 MT4 slinger of sizzles. The zip folder for the Gold Garden EA V2.1 MT4 disrobes with golden decorum. A brisk right-click and extract. Here liberates the ex4 file installation instructions PDF and read me text in seconds. I ferried the ex4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Gold Garden EAVA 2.1 MT4 to XAUUSD on M15, invoked the setfile, and it commenced its adaptive harvesting forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might. A scandal sheet of gilded harvests, and there the Gold Garden EA V2.1 MT4 parades its plus 1,317.43% absolute gain escapade, ballooning deposits into a peak of $24,275.76 with net profit $23,990.72 amid substantial withdrawals. Daily 0.40%, monthly 71.93%, hinting at robust yields. Yet the equity curve bemuses manual traders' flatlines with a majestic ascent from March 2024, scarcely wilted by a 42.47% drawdown thanks to its adaptive SL and TP mastery. Profitability blooms eternal. Win rates soaring to 95% on longs and solid overall for gold-only focus. Average wins plump and pip-rich. Losses corralled by the Gold Garden EA V2.1 MT4's no martingale logic that tames volatility on XAUUSD without grid gimmicks. Get this. Gross profit dominates amid interest. That's the edge that compounds with verdant speed, sans reckless overtrading. Drawdown at 42.47%, yet equity endured with stoic stems, risk of ruin reduced to ridicule. Profit factor robust more than redeems any frost. For every dollar risked, you're reaping regal returns. Commissions? Trifling on my broker, eclipsed by lofty expectancy. Hold times ideal for M15 maneuvers. Poke into advanced tabs and winners tower over losers midweek. Green bars proving the Gold Garden EA V2.1 MT, 4 strikes when gold glints while prudent elsewhere. Forecast whispers steady non-compounding yearly growth to $1.32 million over 10 years from current equity. No fanciful fables, just reliable riches. Monthly analytics? Burgeoning bars through 2024, it's not merely surviving market weeds, it's weeding them, granting me leisure to relish yields instead of perpetual vigil. If you're after gold bots that deliver over 1,300% historically without habitual heart attacks, this Gold Garden EA V2.1 MT4 is the undisputed garden deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Gold Garden EA V2.1 MT4 on MT4 with every tick. Data on XAUUSD M15 last month. And, solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000. Total net profit $2,184.51. Gross profits $21,845.61. Trouncing losses negative $19,661.10 for that edge. Okay, total trades 23 balanced. Win rate sturdy at 91.30% overall. Average profit trade $954.02, while average loss negative $9,830.55 contained. Max drawdown tame at 35.56% relative. Adaptive yields. No drama. Perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Gold Garden EAV 2.1 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me after months of hands-on gold harvesting, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Gold Garden EAV 2.1 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. Happy trading, folks.